Alright?
Alright.
Alright, so we're going to get buzzing now.
Alright, so since the Fully Loaded Sound Clash event, there has been a lot of talk from the dancehall community that bad words should not be punishable by the law, especially in adult spaces. Now, Bounty Killer and Popcorn have been very vocal about this matter, and after a post by opposition Senator Dr. Andre Horton highlighting the situation, the incident became the most talked about. That's right across. Popular selector Ricky Trooper told the Weekend Star that the country should revisit its laws as the one governing the use of profanity is particularly archaic. Jamaican authorities have a very backwards approach when it comes to laws that govern us. Because all now, nobody can tell me what is a bad word. What is a bad word? No, they have this festival in Europe named BBC Festival.
Not really BBC.
Nobody.
Not really BBC.
We say BBC, but I don't understand what I mean.
Yeah.
And nobody find nothing wrong with that. If there was something wrong about the culture and so-called indecent language, you think these European countries would take it on? That's what he said. Dancehall is a down-to-earth, X-rated space. If you can't deal with it, just leave it alone. Go home and not try to change it, man, because the sound system culture is where sound man go to express themselves musically.
Yeah. It's a real thing. I mean, I think it kind of stifles the culture still. I don't believe in bad words. I don't think that there are any words that are bad. There are some words that might offend certain people in certain spaces. So, you can decide how you use them in those spaces. But you have to, I don't see no word as
there are no
as
bad words. The use of any word can be offensive in any space. Because boy can be offensive.
Yeah.
Because if your boss...
Hey, boy!
You understand? A boy.
Yeah.
And it is particularly offensive that it's a part of our culture and the entire world...
Yeah, and I'm going to try to go around it.
Yeah, accept it, and then we have a trouble. Listen, I was in Barbados and you hear quote-unquote bad words being played at the radio.
Yeah, man.
And it's fine. So why right here, the home of reggae, the home of dancehall,
everywhere.
This is our culture. Yeah, man, Let me agree with Ricky Trooper, right?
Yeah, definitely, 100%. I mean, that's why I'm have to big up people like Peter Tosh and people like Fambo who actually take the word them and put them into the song them and push them worldwide, because there's nothing wrong with the words, there's nothing wrong with the culture. Only for people I've had this conversation countless times back and forth with people, because I remember one time on Double Rush me in New York, I'm quote all kind of scripture, it never stop. And it's not till me get up and vex and chant too and say, Arr! BBC, RC, PC, but beer things. And the just love me. And it work. So I don't know.
Don't be saying that Jamaican Rasta, but me just...
No, but not a serious...
Hold the position!
No, but a serious... Is a serious
well, no,
thing,
that Rasta enough said that.
Powers in the things still. I don't know still. I don't know what they're afraid of, but I don't see nothing wrong with the words. I think them should have free it up. As long as people not overdo it. That's the only thing. Anyway, so Simone Biles.
No, I'm not saying Simone. I'm just messing up.
Simone Biles is perfection. So on Sunday at the US Gymnastics Championships, 22-year-old Biles made history as the first woman to land a clean triple-double, which involves 2 flips and 3 twists in the air.
Hold on. Did you say the first woman?
The first
in the US?
In the world?
No. You never see the girl in Jamaica.
True. You have some bad dancer girls.
Oh,
big up Cher,
big
up Ready at 6:30.
Them 5 twists and 7 flip.
Them
land on them head and them gut.
But that's why them have to specify it and say clearly, in competition, in her floor routine. That's where she did it. So them never do it this
within the sporting framework. Okay, I understand.
So since now, only the men in the world have successfully done this move. According to the Washington Post, people have been in awe and the internet was on fire with praise for Biles. Even Dictionary.com weighed in on the dazzling athletic feat, tweeting the video of Biles along with the definition of flawless. You hear that, brother? That is most definitely black girl magic, right? So big up yourself, Simone.
She's Jamaican.
I think so.
Look on her right eye. Look on her right eye.
No, man, she look like I had it to me.
She look like don't a ready or don't a Uptown Mondays.
Hey, hold on.
Both like she practice.
Hold on. If you think about it, though, as she drop down there, so if she ever do one of them triple
listen. We're gonna watch the video.
I watch the video.
The very first tumbling pass. Triple twisting, double back.
Money! just keep making history.
I tell you, man, you see that little hip flick there at the end? I tell you about them. It's a
Listen.
dancehall thing that you know.
They call it a flip. We know it's a boom
Boom
flick.
flick.
A boom flick, a boom flick.
That's what she did.
Now, the New York Times recently did an online feature on the queens of dancehall. Now, the article featured female artists who they think are redefining dancehall today. And I think they should actually, you know, the New York Times, them confer with anybody from Jamaica?
I don't know, you know. They never
So
called
ask.
me.
These ladies are Spice, Ishana, Jada Kingdom, and Shensia.
Mad.
You can check this out at NewYorkTimes.com. Yeah.
I love that. I
mean,
love that. I
This
love
is
that.
Ishana right here.
Congratulations on the mention to Ishana, Jada, who's Spice for sure.
I don't
and
necessarily
Shenseea
agree with
for
all of
sure.
them. I don't necessarily agree with all of them. All the picks.
Redefining the female position of dancer?
Definitely Spice.
Definitely, 100%.
I think
100%
Shenseea is
Shenseea
the new face, the new look.
100%.
Jada's writing ability.
Jada do her thing. But Ishana bad too, you know.
Okay, you see, when you talk about redefining the space, you don't go bad too.
No, bad too because the other three people are there. Like Spice, Shenseea, and... Spice, Shenseea, and Jada did it. So it must be two.
No, we're talking
Ishana
about
bad
the
too.
space. You say Ishana bad too.
Ishana bad too. Along with Spice, Shenseea, and Jada. Two.
But look at when Spice baddest,
Yeah.
Ishana, and
Shenseea and
Shenseea,
Jada.
young,
Yeah. And them are the
young
them thing.
baddest.
Yeah.
You ever say young baddest?
Boy,
Jada's
no.
writing
Let me tell
is
you.
just.
Let me tell you.
it's
A whole heap
sharp.
of people not Ishana enough.
No, I'm not. No. I'm
I'm
not knocking
not say
Ishana.
you, but me just say a
I'm
whole
just
heap
saying
of
we're
people
talking about
do.
redefining the space.
Nah, man, but she really bad doing her, brother. She really bad. Like really as an artist, she really bad.
Alright, cool.
So me have to
Me
be
not
like-
say nothing, me not say
Yeah,
cool,
we
alright, cool.
can't that kind of thing. Maybe she should have as much Instagram, maybe she should have as big a following, but I think proper.
That's it.
Hey, whatever. Anyway, so like how we are talking about who the two show about who are going.
Yeah. That's a
What would
perfect
you
segue,
do?
boy. Hold on.
What would you do if you only find half of the one breadfruit where you watch for weeks? What you do?
Of course, your video first.
Yeah, but we see what them
Of
do.
course, your video.
No, them serious. Like, them
Listen,
teeth
at
are
the audio for
dangerous.
listen. At the audio for listen.
My youth. What they want, so they have conscience. No bad man. This no look good at all, me I tell you. Sean no start. What they left this for do? For me.
Hey.
No,
Hey, them teeth are
see,
dangerous.
no, let me tell you. I was a Jamaican thief.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
But when I say the man thief the
milk
breadfruit,
out of coffee.
but him don't really thief the breadfruit.
No, let me tell you what the thief has said.
Yeah.
The thief has showed the man say, listen, this is the starting of an ongoing relationship.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
go from now on.
Yeah.
If I left some for you, but me I come for my own. The man
Yeah.
I make you know, the man I make you
I can realize the cut
man
was
cut in half.
perfect. You know,
But the man all half the stamina, brother.
Hey, you can know say a long time I watch a breadfruit, you know. Every day you pass a breadfruit, they go so.
The man say, oh God, me now must the man
Every day you
complete,
pass a
man.
breadfruit, they look funny. Listen, hey, no, hey,